Here we come to the elevator at REI at Tucson Mall in Tucson, Arizona. This is an Otis Series 6. And it's in pretty good shape too, because this is inside. Installed in 2008 like the other two. The one at Macy's and the one just outside the store. No lantern on the outside though. Look at our cab view. Egg lantern is burned out. The LEDs are gone bad on it, I think. Let's go up to 2. Going down?
Oh, no, thank you.
Let's get our cab view. We'll take this on one more ride since this is this one is in much better shape than the other ones here. The Otis Series 5 was the replacement for Otis Series 1. Otis Series 6, I meant to say, is the replacement for Series 1. Let's go back up to 2. Egg lantern is burned out. Listen to the motor one more time. Yeah, egg lantern is burned out. Let's go down to 1. This elevator is in pretty good shape. Installed in 2008, capacity 2,500 pounds. Basic, but I mean, this thing is pretty nice. I like the lights up here. This is much nicer than the other ones. And it runs well. And you can hear that fan, annoying fan. Not too bad though. Again, there's the door sensors there. There it goes. And that's it.